Good morning, students. Today we'll do question number 4 and 5 of sample paper writing task section B. First question is writing article. The role of students in removing illiteracy by ABC or the name given in the examination. Illiteracy is still a major blot in India. After more than 60 years of its achieving independence. To an extent, it exemplifies India's failure to reach out to its masses. The removal of illiteracy has to be tackled on a priority basis, and students can play an important role in achieving this goal. Since they are in the process of receiving education themselves, they are most appropriate for also putting forth their services to achieve the goal of educating the illiterate masses. Students should be encouraged to carry the lamp of knowledge by organizing events such as Each One, Teach One. If every student resolves to teach 2 illiterate persons in a year during his vacations, it will in the long run help to eradicate illiteracy. The government should also render full support to students in terms of infrastructure in their contribution to the Indian illiteracy campaign. Students can also play a vital role in the program of adult literacy. If all our students get together and try to work towards achieving illiteracy among the masses, then the day is not far when India too will join the league of countries that have attained 100% literacy. So now you have observed that the whole topic revolves around students and their role. No causes, no effects, because this is one-sided topic. The role of students in removing illiteracy. So every sentence should be revolving around our main heading, the title of the article. Though illiteracy is a problem, but our topic is not illiteracy. Our topic is role of students. Now the second topic is a report writing. Question number 5. An exhibition cum sale by ABC coordinator SUPW means socially useful productive work activities, Nita School, Gurgaon. So your school, the question would be your school organized an exhibition cum sale, means some products prepared by the students. How to write? 3rd August 2021 or any date. You can mention March also. April, May, this year, if an examination will be in May, you can write here May. Our school organized an exhibition, or Nita School Gurgaon organized. Better way is Nita School Gurgaon organized an exhibition cum sale of items prepared under work experience by our students on the 31st July in the school lawns. It was heartening to see the overwhelming response our endeavor got from not only the parents but also from the general public, who showed a lot of interest in the items made by the students. A wide array of items such as candles, greeting cards, jewelry boxes, wooden handicrafts had been prepared by the talented students. The students were really encouraged by the positive feedback they got from everyone present. The principal too was personally present there all the time, interacting with everyone. He appreciated the students' hard work and creativity and announced that the money collected from the sale of items would be donated to an old age home in the vicinity of our school. The principal also decided that such initiatives would be taken up by our school more frequently to motivate creative students and to help a noble cause. So in this report, what did we observe? every sentence is written in past tense first, preferably passive voice. And the second thing is we try to avoid the that is why everywhere our school, our principal, I spoke the school, the principal. Try to be objective in the report writing. Do not include yourself. And one line is missing over here. This was really an experience. How was the experience? You can add one line. This was really an dash 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 experience. You can add one opinion line from your own self. Now write these two topics in your fair notebooks just to understand. Don't learn up. Don't mark them up. Just understand the way of writing, and these are the questions answered by students in the previous year's papers, so that you can learn how to write your answers and get the maximum score in board examinations. Thank you, students.